Panchal and welcome to Panchal Academy. I hope you are all doing great with your families. So in the previous video we finished with the chapter ratio and proportion, and in today's video we will be starting with a new chapter, percentage and its application. So first we will take percentage. What is percentage? Percentage is a fraction with its denominator equal to 100. So in a percentage, the fraction, the denominator should always be equal to 100. Like for example, 1% is 1 by 100 and 2% is 2 by 100. So we know what is percentage now, and now we have to know how to convert fraction, decimals, ratios to percentage. So first we'll take fractions to percentage. So to convert them, we have to find a suitable multiplying factor to convert the denominator to 100. So here we have to find, if we have fraction, we should always find a multiplying factor, a suitable one, to convert the denominator into 100. So to convert fraction to percentage, the denominator should always be 100. Let's take for example 1 by 2. Now here 1 by 2. Now we have to multiply them. So we have to multiply 2 with multiplying factor, so we can get 100. So 50 into 2 is 100, like we can do with 4. So 4 into 25 is 100. Here we have 2, so we will take 50 and then we will multiply with 1 also. So our answer we will get as 50 by 100. So now we got 50 by 100, and like we did here, it was 1%, 1 by 100. So 50 by 100 is 50%. So fraction to percentage, here we had a fraction 1 by 2. Now we converted it into 50%. So to convert fraction into percentage, we have two methods. So one was this, and second one, multiply the fraction by 100%. So fraction, and then we have to multiply with 100. So let's take 6 by 25. Now here we will write this as 6 into 100. 6 into 100 divided by 25. Now like I told, 25 fours are 100. So we will cross these and 4. So 6 fours are 24. 24%. So here, like we did, here we multiplied with 50, we had to make the denominator 100. Here we already have 100, we just need to multiply or divide them. So 6 into 100, 25 fours are 100, and now we got these two, so 6 fours are 24. Now we got 24%. Next is decimal to percentage. So here to convert them, to convert the decimal to percentage, multiply the decimal by 100%. So here a decimal is given, we have to simply multiply it with 100%. Like we can just say first this one, so 0.75, we can write this as 0.75 into 100, multiply with 100. So we will get our answer as 75%. Yes, 75%. Now 1.152%. So 1.152%, sorry, decimal. So again we will multiply it here. Multiply with 100. And then our answer would be 115.2%. So here we converted decimal to percentage by multiplying with 100. So now we learn how to convert ratios to percentage. So to convert ratios into percentage, first convert the ratios to fraction and then multiply it with 100%. So here ratio must be given. First we have to convert that ratio into a fraction, and then we have to multiply it with 100, like we did in the converting fractions to percentage method. So for example, let's say we have 3:4. So we first convert the ratio to fraction. So we will write this as 3:4. The first number would be numerator and the last would be denominator. Now we have to multiply it with 100. So we will write this as 3 into 100 divided by 4. So like we did before, 425 is 100. Then 25 multiplied by 3 is equal to 75%. So this is how we convert ratios to percentage. First we convert the ratio to a fraction and then we multiply it with 100. So we have learned how to convert fractions, ratios and decimals to percentage. Now we will learn how to convert percentage to fraction, ratios and decimal. So our first example is 25%. So we will, in fractions, we will write this as 25 by 100. So now we will write it in the lowest form. So 25 by 100 in lowest form is 1 by 4. So this is in fraction. So we got a fraction. Next is decimal. So in decimal we will write this as, so when we divide 1 by 4 we will get our answer as 0.25. So 0.25 is decimal. And then ratio. Ratio is very simple. We just write 1:4. So here 25 percentage. In fraction we got 1 by 4. In decimal we got 0.25. And then ratios we got 1:4. Now our next one is 150%. So again in fractions we will write this as 150 by 100, which is in short, in lowest form is 3 by 2. Then in decimals, once we divide 3 by 2, we will get our answer as 1.5. And then 1.5 in ratios. Our answer we will get as 3:2. So for 150%, our fraction was 3 by 2. Then in decimal, the decimal was 1.5 and ratios is 3:2. Now we do the second question. Convert the following fractions to percentage. Here we have to convert the fractions. Fractions are given. We have to convert them to percentage. So first one is 1 by 3. So 1 into 100 we will write. Then divided by 3. So when we divide 1 into 100 is 100 only. So when we divide 100 by 3, our answer would be 33.33. B is 1 by 8. So here also same method. 1 into 100 then divided by 8. So here when we divide them, our answer would be 12.5. So 1 into 100 is 100. Then when we divided 100 by 8, then our answer we got as 12.5. Next, 5 into 100 divided by 8. So our answer would be 62.5. 8 divided by 100 multiplied by 5. So our answer is 62.5. Next, the third one is express the following percentage as fraction in their simplest form. So here first we have to convert them into fractions and then we have to bring them in their simplest form, lowest form. So first we will do this 5%. So like we did before, we will write like this. 5% is 5 by 100. Then 5 ones are 5. 5 20s are 100. So in the lowest form. So 1 by 20. Lowest form of 5 by 100 is 1 by 20. Next 100%. So 10 by 100 we will write this. 10 ones are 10. 10 tens are 100. So 1 by 10 is the answer. Next this one. Right here. So this is a bit tricky. First we will bring them in the fraction. This is in mixed fraction. So 33 3s are 99. 99 plus 1 is 100. So 100 by 3. Now like we did here, we have to divide them by 100. So 100 by 3 divided by 100. And then we have to multiply these two. 3 by 100 we have to multiply. So then we'll get our answer as 100 by 300. And then now we got the fraction, we have to bring them in the lowest form. So we'll cut the zeros, then 1 by 3. So lowest form of 100 by 300 is 1 by 3. Next is 62, 3 by 2, 2 by 3. Again we'll bring them in the lowest form. So 66, 3s are 198. Then plus 2 is 200. So 200 by 3. Then again we'll do the same thing. So 200 by 3 multiplied by 3. Divided by 100. So we multiply these two and then our answer would be 200 by 300. Again we got the fraction, so we will bring it in their lowest form. And then our answer, final answer would be 2 by 3. Answer would be 2 by 3. Now we do the fourth question. So the marks obtained by Rajan are tabulated here. Express the marks in percentage. So here subjects are given and then maximum marks are given and the marks he obtained are given. We have to find percentage of marks. So here we'll write first A. A is English, so we'll write it as 40 into 100 by 50. So 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10, then 40 into 2, our answer would be 80%. So in English he got 80%. Then in Hindi B, we will write it as 18 into 100 by 20%. 0 0 minus 2 and this was 5. So then our answer would be 90%. C, so C is maths. We will write it as 19 into 100 by 25. So 25 4s are 100. Then 19, oh this is 125 is 25. So 19 4s are, our answer would be 76%. So 76% for maths. Then D, okay, 1. Then D is SST, 30 into 100 by 40. So now we'll do it. So first 0 0 card, then 2 4, then 2 5s are 10. Then when we multiply, divide these, so 2 1s are 2, then 10, so 5 15. Now, okay 5, so 15 into 5, yes. 1 here, 15 into 5 is 75%. Yes, 75% for SST. Then last is E science. It is 20 into 100 by 25. So 25 4s are again 100, 4 here. So 24s are 80. 80% here. So now I am finished with this exercise, exercise 9A, and in the next video we will be doing exercise 9B. If you guys have any doubts, please comment down below. Like, share and subscribe this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.